everybody else is sleeping in old black and white, and gravity can't stop.
Wait! What is the tea? The girls are fighting! No! The girls are fighting! Why? Why? Why are the girls fighting? Oh, Cardi, you're a bird. You're a bird. I told y'all bitches she was a bird. I told y'all, like, listen, she doesn't understand the rules of black female etiquette. She doesn't understand that black women in 2018, we fight with our words and not with our hands. Woo, child, the ghetto, the campesino. The campesino jumped out at Fashion Week at that? Ew. Nah, come on. Everybody, I told y'all niggas, I told y'all. I was like, no, this bitch is a fucking stupid ghetto low mentality bird. You fought Nicki Minaj and you fought her for what? For what? You hit her? Okay, no. You can't call yourself black no more. I'm sorry. You're like cut out of the black. Whatever. Bitch, come for me if you fucking want to. Like, we don't do this. You're bugging, honey. No, honey, let me tell you, the special ed ESL Yara from room 201 IS90 jumped out. Yes, the salami and quisqueyana cheese out the fucking glass jumped out. The 10 for $1 platanos jumped out. Wow. I can't believe you. What? Huh? No, I can't. I can't deal with it. I don't like that shit. That shit is just so ghetto and so low class. That's so ghetto. And it's like, oh no. That is so ghetto. That's so fucking ghetto. And let me tell y'all something. If black men sit there and y'all praise Cardi for putting her hands on Nicki Minaj, then I'm really done with y'all. No. Because no, y'all been egging this ghetto bitch on for fucking ever. Y'all been egging this ghetto ass bitch on for fucking ever. Like, she's ghetto. She's nasty. Ew. 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 I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm sorry. Who fucking knows? These bitches are fighting out here. Bitch, I'm on the fucking whole thing looking like... Hold on, wait. I actually have to... I need to go check the Google again, bitches. Because I need to get the real whole tea. I need to see whole